Hey creators, thanks for coming to my channel. Make sure to like and subscribe. I post new content every Tuesday and Friday. So on today's video, we're going to be doing another plan with me, this time a monthly watermelon themed for your happy planner. I really love the watermelon theme because it's the last month of the summer in New England and I love the summer, so why not make it fun and whimsical? As you can see, we already put down the header on the top as well as the note spanner on the side. The note spanner is a fun magenta background with watermelon seeds on it. I really love the magenta watermelon pattern. It's one of my favorite patterns in the kit. After I do the note spanner, I start to do my squares for the weekend. I like to make them be a little bit more fancy than the rest of the week, but I definitely need some white space on my planner to get all my actual things planned on it. So the patterns we're using for the weekend squares this month are pink with watermelon seeds, like the note spanner, except that the magenta is a little bit darker for that. I figured that way you're not going to have as many things to write down that you need to get done on the weekend. Well, at least I don't have that many things that need to get done on the weekend. But for my note spanner, I fill that with tons of stuff. And then I have Summer Love with blue clouds and some hearts, another watermelon pattern, and then I also have a surfboard with a blue sky because, you know, it's summertime and who doesn't want to go surfing even if we can't, and we're stuck in this quarantine, stuck in the house, and we just want to think about maybe one day going surfing. Do any of you have things you like to dream about while you're stuck in your house during this hard time? Because for me, the beach and surfing is definitely in my top 10 list. As you can see, I'm doing the super tedious task of adding all the number stickers on top of the numbers on the planner itself. I know that you don't actually have to, but I feel like it makes it a lot more cohesive when you have the number stickers on top. Now I'm going to be adding some stickers for my planner that are specific towards my actual month. For example, I added a birthday one for one of my best friend's birthdays. Hi Cam! And I also added some headers for this month and next month on my notes banner. And then I have a little saying that I like to add on top of my notes section. And this month's saying says, "Watermelons are the smiles of summer," which is so cute because I think not only do they look like smiles, but most of the time when you have watermelon and it's super hot out and you're having a nice day outside, they always make you smile as well. So I skipped over the fact that I made daily headers and I placed them on the wrong dates of the week because, you know, I'm just not smart sometimes. So I then put sparkly ones that I found in my Happy Planner sticker book that I then wrote the days of the week on top of just so that I can reference what I'm actually doing. Now I'm putting down some icon stickers, the first ones being payday stickers because let's face it, that's the most important one. We always want to know when we're actually going to have money or when we can actually do some fun shopping for the weekend. This month I get to actually go on a mini staycation. We're not really going anywhere because of the state of the world. We are taking our 2-year-old son to some fun little splash pad type of areas, so we might do a little bit of splurging this month. Are any of you going on vacation still, even with everything going on? Or are you planning on staying home like I am, doing some fun things with your family? Or are you just lucky to be able to keep your job, so you're just working right through what you would normally consider your vacation time? Let me know. In the comment section below, I would love to hear what you're thinking about doing this summer. I'm now finishing up putting some more of the decorative pieces on there this month because of the watermelon theme. Pretty much the decorative pieces are watermelons and slices of watermelons. And I forgot to add a couple icon stickers. So we have a birthday party on the 8th to go to, and I tried to add some laundry spots because I hate doing laundry. So I make myself do laundry on days that I specifically write that I do laundry. And that's it for my August monthly spread in my Happy Planner. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm going to be posting new content every Tuesday and Friday and can't wait to see you next time.